In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your iPhone sending green text messages instead of blue ones. So for example, you can see here, I've been texting myself and my messages were initially blue, which is basically how they should be with iMessage. And now you can see my last message is sent as a text message, which is obviously what we don't want. So this is exactly how you fix it. And if you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it. So the first thing you want to do is find messages in your settings. So the first thing you're going to see is right here, it says iMessage. Right now it's toggled on, but if it's not working for you, the first thing you want to do is toggle it off and then toggle it on one more time. Now you want to scroll down and you're going to see send as SMS when iMessage is unavailable. Now, right now it's off, and what you want to do is toggle that back on. The next thing you want to do is head on over to Google. Once you're here, just search up speed test and just run the basic Google speed test to test your internet connection. Now, the reason this is being done is because the blue messages, which is iMessage, actually uses internet. So you want to make sure that your internet is basically up to speed. Now, as you can see, my internet is completely fine. But if you're still getting green text messages, the final thing that you want to do is head on over back to your settings, go into your general section. Once you're here, go over towards the bottom. Now it's going to say transfer or reset iPhone. You want to click this. Now you're going to want to choose the second to last option, which is reset. And then finally, reset network settings. And then finally, just enter your passcode and you should be good to go. Now, once you send any more text messages, they should appear as blue and not green.